My dear friends and fellow travelers on this incredible journey, welcome. Today, I want to speak from the heart about a profound gratitude that fills every moment of my life. It's a gratitude for a guide, a teacher, who has shown us a path beyond what we ever thought possible. Have you ever felt stuck? Like you were carrying a heavy weight, a burden you couldn't quite name but could always feel. Y no, primera A, B. For years, it felt like I was walking in circles, repeating the same patterns, facing the same challenges, bound by a past I couldn't escape. It's what some might call karma, the accumulated effect of our past actions and thoughts. It felt like an unbreakable chain, dictating the course of my life, limiting my potential for happiness and peace. Then, a light appeared. Our teacher, with immense compassion and wisdom, did something extraordinary. It was an act of incredible strength and vision, a monumental effort to help us shift this heavy burden. It felt like they reached into the very foundation of our being and gently, but powerfully, helped us dislodge the old, stubborn patterns that were holding us back. But this wasn't just a momentary miracle. True change requires a new way of living, and this is where the genius of our teacher truly shines. They didn't just point to a destination, they built a road for us to travel on. With remarkable foresight, they established a structured environment, a community, a company that serves as a modern-day vessel for our transformation. This isn't just an organization, it's a living, breathing training ground. It's a place where we can learn, practice, and grow together, supported by a system designed for our success. Think about it. Making a great choice for yourself is one thing, but making a great choice for hundreds, for thousands of people, that requires a level of wisdom and selflessness that is truly awe-inspiring. Our teacher made that choice for us. They created a pathway where we could genuinely cultivate our minds and spirits, not just in theory, but in our daily lives, through our work and our interactions. This journey is about real, tangible change. We are learning to build an entirely new operating system for ourselves, a new system for our body and mind. It's like upgrading from an old glitchy software to a state-of-the-art program. Through consistent training and practice, we are replacing old habits of anxiety, fear, and negativity with new habits of clarity, courage, and compassion. We are learning to see the world not through the lens of our past wounds, but with fresh eyes, full of potential and hope. This process is fundamentally altering the trajectory of our lives. It's not just about feeling a little better, it's about a complete transformation of our destiny. We are moving from a fate determined by unconscious patterns to a future we consciously create, guided by wisdom and a commitment to goodness. Every single day, I am reminded of this incredible gift, and with this reminder comes a deep, unwavering commitment. I vow to always follow the teachings, to align my actions with the wisdom that has been so generously shared. I promise to cooperate fully with the guidance we receive, to support the structure that has been built for our benefit. This is a journey of turning away from our old, unhelpful ways and embracing a new, brilliant path. It is a process of profound correction, of aligning ourselves with truth and kindness. It's about making that elegant turn, that magnificent transformation from who we were into who we are truly meant to be. We are not just changing ourselves. We are part of a collective shift. By transforming our own lives, we contribute to a more positive and compassionate world. We become beacons of hope, showing others that change is possible, that a new destiny can be forged. The path is clear. The support is here. The choice is ours to make every single day. Let's walk this path together with determination, with joy, and with a heart full of gratitude. Let's honor the incredible opportunity we've been given by dedicating ourselves completely to this beautiful transformation. Thank you so much for listening and for being a part of this community. Your presence and your own journey inspire me more than you know. If this message resonated with you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Together, we can continue to support each other as we walk this incredible path of change. Thank you. Thank you.